Okay, welcome all the students in this evening class on this Saturday. And today we are going to start our discussion on a very famous, very popular novel by F. Scott Fitzgerald, an American writer. It's an American novel written during the modern time, that is 1920s. And the title of the novel is The Great Gatsby. The Great Gatsby, very popular novel by F. Scott Fitzgerald. And in this introductory session, we will have a group of students, a pair of students rather, who are going to make introduction to this novel. So I would request Daya and Riddhi to make an introductory presentation on The Great Gatsby.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Today, me and Riddhi are going to introduce one text, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. For that, let me share my screen. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay. So we are going to introduce the text, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. F. Scott Fitzgerald, Francis Scott Fitzgerald was American novelist, essayist, short story writer, and also screenplay writer. He was born in September 24, 1896 and died in December 21, 1940. He is very famous for his first novel. It was published in 1920. Before the publication of the novel, his wife Zelda refused him to marry him. But after the success of this novel, she is ready to marry him. And although Fitzgerald was a famous author, the couple spent the money much faster than they earned it. And in 1935 to 1937, he is known as the crack up in Fitzgerald's life. And after that, he fall in descent into alcoholism, and his work is not get much popular, and that's why he turned into the Hollywood and started writing screenplay. And in this field, he won a substantial contract with MGM, but still he wasn't financially viable due to his debt. And then he met and fell in love with Sheila Graham, and Fitzgerald died of a heart attack in Graham's apartment in 1940. If we look at his famous work, so he's very famous for his novels, and he also wrote magazine, newspaper, and short stories. And his famous novels are The Side of Paradise, The Beautiful, and The Dam, The Great Gatsby that we are going to study, and Tender is the Night, and the last novel is Unfinished by him. That was the last title. And the best collection of his short story that is very well known is All That Sad Young Men. Now let us look at the key facts of the novel Great Gatsby. So the novel Great Gatsby was written by American writer F. Scott Fitzgerald. It was published in 1925, and the publisher of this novel is Charles Scribner's Sons. And the type of this literary work is novel, and the genre of this work is tragedy, realism, modernism, and social satire. The language is English. The time when the novel is written is 1923 to 1924, and the place where the novel is written is America and France. The setting of the novel is summer 1922, and the setting of the place of the novel is Long Island and New York City. And protagonist of this novel is Joy Gatsby. And yes, this novel is written in first person point of view. Now, major character of the novel, Nick Carraway. Nick Carraway is the narrator of the novel, and the protagonist and typical figure of the novel is Joy Gatsby, then Tom and Daisy Buchanan, Jordan Becker, George and Martin Wilson, and Mayor Wolfsheim. These are the major characters of the novel, and apart from this, there are many minor characters of the novel. Now, from the title and further discussion, I would like to call Riddhi. Please come on screen and share with everyone.
Yes, thank you, Daya. Am I audible?
Yes, Riddhi.
Okay, so now we talk about the title The Great Gatsby. The title The Great Gatsby is displaying the significance of the character Jay Gatsby. Gatsby is a delusional dreamer that achieved the American dream and used its purpose to impress his love. The reason the author decided to put the word great before Gatsby is to signify Gatsby's popularity in the story. Everyone sees Gatsby as one of the wealthiest men alive. He throws parties all night to showcase his grandeur. The reason why the author chose Gatsby's name as the title is because it also shows the general theme of the novel. Next. Okay, now we talk about the introduction to The Great Gatsby. In 1925, The Great Gatsby was published and hailed as an artistic and material success for its young author, F. Scott Fitzgerald. It is considered a vastly more mature and artistically masterful treatment of themes than his earlier fiction. These works examine the result of the Jazz Age generation's adherence to false material values. In 9 chapters, present the rise and fall of Jay Gatsby as related in the first-person narrative by Nick Carraway. Carraway reveals the story of a farmer's son's Turner, racketeer named Jay Gatz. His ill-gotten wealth is acquired solely to gain into the sophisticated moneyed world of the woman he loves, Daisy Faye Buchanan. Next. So his romantic illusion about the power of money to buy respectability and the love of Daisy, the golden girl of his dreams, are skillfully and ironically interwoven with episodes that depicts when viewed as the colonist and moral irresponsibility of the affluent American society of the 1920s. America at this time experienced a culture and lifestyle revolution. In the economical arena, the stock market boomed, the rich spent money on fabulous parties and expensive. Next. Now we talk about themes. So there are these themes: the decline of the American dream in 1920s, the hollowness of the upper class, love and marriage, death and failure, morality and ethics, the American dream. Next. There are some motifs of this novel: money, hypocrisy, friendship, carelessness, the American dream, cars and driving, essays, dust, time, clocks. Next. And these are symbols of this novel: the green light at the end of Buchanan's dock, Gatsby's library and books, Dr. T.J. Eckleburg's eyes on the billboard, Valley of Essex, and East Egg and West Egg. Next. Thank you.
Okay, you can stop sharing the screen, right? Yeah, good. Very well introduced this text. Very simple way, but it covers most of the things for which this novel is known about. About the author, F. Scott Fitzgerald. F. Scott Fitzgerald. If you want to break that word Fitzgerald, then it is Fitzgerald. So it becomes easy to pronounce the name. The author who became very popular with the publication of the novel, and his life also. The story is a little bit autobiographical also. His affair with Zelda and other things are also incorporated briefly in this presentation. You also have connected that point also. Then about the text, the title of the novel, The Great Gatsby. Jay Gatsby is the protagonist. We write this spelling with J, but the American way of speaking is J. Gatsby. That is the title, and why the word great is written in the title, that also was briefly explained here. The important characters were discussed, the major characters, and also the themes. Various themes are there. One of the important things in the themes you might have seen is this, that it is about American dream. American dream. So that is one of the central theme of the novel that we will explore also. Okay? Okay, so before we enter into the text, before we start discussing this text,